The New York Times reported that several years after President Bill Clinton's, quote, failed effort to remake health care in America, the health care market is remaking itself, end of quote. Some outstanding breakthroughs are happening in the field of medicine for those who can afford them. One day soon, perhaps, you will be able to take a routine urine or saliva test that can warn of cancer and the very expensive chemical and surgical treatments that follow. Money in our conventional treatment system gets you the best service it has to offer, if, of course, you have the money. Prices for the 50 drugs most frequently used by older Americans increased last year at nearly twice the rate of inflation. But a maverick researcher, not even a medical doctor, mind you, has attacked what she calls a money pyramid of drugs and surgery as a symptom chaser at best. She claims that, for example, cures for cancer, AIDS, and just about everything else can be achieved with 3 common herbs and an invention of hers that she calls a zapper. If true, that would be wonderful news to the 44 million Americans without a health care plan, the millions of Americans who can hardly afford one, and the entire population of Africa that is being decimated each year by an immune deficiency caused by malnutrition, poor hygiene, and no medicine. Conventional medicine calls it AIDS, which, by the way, Dr. Hulda Clark says she can cure. To say that Hulda Clark, a PhD in cell biology and research, is an out-of-the-box thinker is putting it mildly. And this 71-year-old author of several controversial books is paying for her ideas. On September 20, 1999, she was arrested in San Diego and transported to Brown County, Indiana, where she had been charged with practicing medicine without a license. In April 2000, these charges were dismissed. All disease, she says, is caused by only 2 things: pollutants in the environment, especially in food, packaged goods, and the home itself, including pets, and parasites in the body.